In this video, I'll be sharing my recommendations and thoughts for riding the Central Florida's bike trail, focusing on the Coast to Coast Trail and the River to Sea Loop Trail. I'll also share POV footage of some of the most scenic sections of the trail, and be sure to check out the latest trail map linked above and also in the description, as Florida is continuously expanding the trail system. All of the trails are paved and accessible to pedestrians, cyclists, and e-bike riders. The trail winds through several wooded areas, but in more crowded spots, it features tunnels and bridges that cross over busy roadways. The Coast to Coast Trail is well maintained, but in the middle there are some incomplete sections that still have to be built out. So I recommend riding either the west end of the trail down into St. Pete, that's the Pinellas Trail, or from Orlando east over to Titusville. One section of the trail from Olston to Titusville is quite remote with no amenities. However, there is a small snack stand in Maytown that offers water and Gatorade, so plan accordingly. Be sure to set aside some time to stop and explore the sights along the way, especially the natural springs in the area like Blue Springs State Park, where you can see the manatees. What we did was ride from DeLand to Titusville, which is about 62 miles or 100 kilometers. We picked up a rental car in Titusville and returned it in DeLand with our bikes in it, and then rode all the way back to Titusville where our car was waiting for us. I really wanted to start at De Leon Springs State Park at the top, but the trail is pretty fragmented and it's intermittent to get down to the Lake Beresford Park, and I recommend starting there or starting at the Blue Springs State Park and then riding all the way to Titusville. Believe it or not, there is about 800 feet in elevation change from Lake Beresford Park all the way down to Titusville, which was kind of surprising. So let's get started on showing the POV videos along my ride. I hope you liked this video. Subscribe to my channels. If you have any suggestions or questions, please leave in the comments. Thanks for watching. Starting here in Lake Beresford Park, you can see there's ample parking. And then you can access the trail. There's a nice easy tunnel underneath the train tracks here. So here's a trail map. We're here at Lake Beresford Park. You could start here in De Leon Springs. This trail is a little intermittent, goes on the street, but we're gonna head this south into Gemini Springs. Here you can go west to Tampa, or you can go east all the way over to Olstein, and then down into Titusville is over here, and Kennedy Space Center is in that region. We're gonna take this trail east to Titusville. It's roughly 55 to 60 miles over here to Titusville, so let's get after it. So about a half mile north of Beresford Park, it comes to a dead end, and I guess this is where they plan to take it up to De Leon Springs, but you can ride on the streets down here, but I suggest starting at Beresford Park and then heading out from there. The trail is nicely shaded. You can see it's nicely marked. It's a paved path, nice and comfortable for riding. And it's like this all the way to Titusville. Some inclines along the way. Yeah, go through the tunnel here. Okay. So we're here at Blue Springs. You have a tunnel under the entrance road. Heading south. Got some manatee out there in the water. Here at Blue Springs. Whoop. By Blue Springs, you got a bridge here to climb. Gets you over the tracks.
You gotta turn this into a train station, you think?
No,
just cleared all this shit?
just probably management. Got a nice downhill. There he is.
That was about what you would have had if you got it. You jumped and you got asked.
Coming down the hill to get back on the trail here in DeBerry. Ooh, we got a bear crossing. There's bears. Yeah, nice. Back on the trail here. All right. Morning. So this is the full trail map of the state that they have right now. There's 3 loops. We're right here in Sanford or DeBerry at the crossroads. So if you go west, you can go all the way down into St. Pete. We're going east down into Titusville. We started up here in DeLand. Now each one of these trails are about 250 miles, the yellow, the blue, and the red. And they keep expanding it, so you could check that website. So we're gonna keep riding, keep watching. So we're here at the crossroads. If I go this way, that heads me east to Titusville. If I go that way, it takes me to Tampa and St. Petersburg. Here at Gemini Springs, you have the F-14 Tomcat over there on display you can check out. It's right along the pass side. It's a nice multi-use trail here. There's a mile or two here in Enterprise along the north part of Monroe Lake that you have to ride along the street, but it's a nice wide path. Easy and safe, you're away from the street. We'll check back in when we get back to the trail. It's all rail path to Titusville. From now on, the path will be like this. Nice and secluded. No obstructions and road noise. Be a nice ride. So you got Green Springs. This is the access to it. Here's the actual Green Springs down here. Pretty cool. Morning. Green Springs. You can see the turtles in there. Got a raised boardwalk here. We're between the Green Springs and Olstein. You can see that the path is nice and tree lined, nice and shaded. So if you're riding this in the summer, you'll get reprieve from the sun. But it's a nice, comfortable trail. I'll check back in at Olstein. Keep watching. So we're coming here into Olstein. You have a nice trestle bridge over the road, so you don't have to across the road. You can take the trail here on the left, and there's a convenience store right here if you need to get water or snacks. There is also a diner here if you need to get something to eat. But we're trekking on and getting to the top of the bridge here. There's the convenience store, gas stations. The diner is about a quarter mile down there. It's nice they built this trestle over the road. We get a nice downhill. Morning. We're gonna keep going. Keep watching. Got a nice lake there. Marshy area on each side. Pretty cool over here. You got this like robot right along the trail. You got men working. Some interesting sculptures around the trail. Several bridges that you'll go over with some low-lying areas and river grass. Path is nice and open, straight here between Olstein and Mayport. And the split, not quite sure. We'll keep trucking along, starting to head into Maytown. Here in Mayport they have some snacks and drinks if you need it, which is right along the trail. That'll be the last stop you can get something for about 15 miles. So if you have no water, I recommend stopping there. Hey. This is where the trail goes under 95. There is a little parking area here that you could start your ride from this location or end it. It's about 52 miles up to DeLand from this location, 95. And here we are going under 95. We'll check in a little bit. Halfway between here and Titusville is about 10 more miles. The last 7 or 8 miles into Titusville is along US 1 like this. We've logged 62 miles. We've had great weather, no issues. One tips and recommendation is make sure that you get plenty of water in Olstein. There is a small stop in Maytown where they have a cooler with Gatorade and water, but not much water between that until you get down back into Titusville area. This is the last bridge here in downtown Titusville. It's going to take us up and over the Main Street area. We've logged 62 miles on this trip. If you have any questions, please leave in the comments. I hope you like this video, subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching.